Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to do a review on HelloFresh. This is a free box that was gifted to me by my friend. A welcome gift to Canada, yay. So as you all know, I'm under quarantine and I've not been able to get groceries. So she suggested that HelloFresh would be a very convenient way to get groceries for a week. So HelloFresh is a weekly food subscription box. You get to select meals, 3 to 4 meals for 2 to 3 people. So what I've selected is, since it's just me and my husband here, 2 people, 4 meals. I had a list of dishes to select from and I selected 4 of them that looked really good. Okay, so let's get to unboxing this. Okay, so right after I opened, I can see that the box is lined with thick cardboard. That's pretty nice. It's going to help the box from not being damaged during delivery. We have a booklet about HelloFresh. Ooh, and a HelloFresh gift voucher. Oh yes, the things I'm looking for. So these are the dishes that are included in this box. These are the ones I've selected. We have a Mediterranean falafel bowl, a shrimp scampi. I am looking forward to the shrimp, a lemony chicken and mushrooms, and turkey biryani. I do miss home. So these are the 4 meals, 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, this is a. Oh, I see one more there. Ha! That's a surprise. We've been craving chocolate anyway, so that's good. Okay, so let's check out the dishes. So this is the lemony chicken one. So what I like about this is that they've given all the nutritional values behind, the way to cook it. All the details you need are there in this. So yeah, so this is the lemony chicken one. I've not had kale before, but that'll be a nice new thing to have. Oh, we have mushrooms. That's a whole box of them. We love mushrooms. A piece of bread. It's a lemon pepper seasoning. 60 ml packet of mayonnaise. This is so cool. If all my meals were delivered like this, that would make it all easier, wouldn't it? A grated Parmesan cheese packet. A lemon. Okay, that's kind of funny because there's 1 garlic in it. I don't think it was supposed to be there, but well, I'll just keep it there. Okay, turkey biryani with peas and sweet pepper. Cilantro. A red bell pepper. It's fresh, it's very cold too. Oh, it's diced onion. If I don't have to cut onion, I think that's a big win. A small packet of basmati rice. Is this for 2 people? I don't think so. A packet of tomato sauce. Piece. Ooh, a piece of ginger. 1 garlic. Some spices. Oh, we have 1 more garlic and a chicken broth. Okay, the Mediterranean falafel bowl. I don't know what that is, but that's that. Okay, I think this is the best packet so far. This looks very promising. Again, a packet of kale, a box of parsley, 2 carrots, 2 garlic, packet of mayo, 2 cucumber, cherry tomatoes, garlic again, and some za'atar spice. This is the last package of ingredients. This is the shrimp scampi. Okay, we have parsley, diced onion, bell pepper that is green and red, a tomato, packet of peas, a small packet of rice that I do not believe is for 2, Italian seasoning, a chicken broth concentrate, a lemon, 1 garlic. Those were the ingredients. Now the main stuff, that is for the shrimp scampi, a packet of shrimp and a turkey breast. Oh, there's still ice in it. So they've kept packets of ice. Inside there's like 4 packets of ice to prevent the meat from going bad. That's really good and very considerate. There's also a packet of chicken breast. So that's for 3 meals. 1 meal was veg, 3 non-veg. So that's our meals. So this is our $100 box, 4 meals for 2 people. So this is supposed to last us a week, but I think it would last us a little over a week if we could add a little bit more of ingredients at home. So we have all the ingredients here. This looks so easy to make. For each of these meals, they have the recipe behind it. They've given the correct amount to be added. So I just have to take them, open it up, cook it then and there, and that's going to be an easy meal. So some meals, they've even written the time that it takes to make each meal. So a turkey biryani in 30 minutes, you know, honestly, that sounds really inviting and pretty easy to make. I do cook once in a while and I love it when all the ingredients are there at home. Well, this was very exciting for me. I hope you were as excited as I was. Unboxing things are my thing. I absolutely love unboxing gifts. Even if I paid for it and I got it for myself, I love opening them like it's a gift from myself, you know. So I want to thank my friend Blessy who got me this gift, making sure we are fed while in quarantine. And I want to thank all of you watching this video. I will be posting more videos on how I live my life here. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. A tomato.